Hello everyone. All right, so today we are going to be solving exercise 1.9, which is the UniCafe step 4. Here we are expected to change the application to display statistics only once feedback has been gathered, right? So it's trying to tell us that when we have a feedback, then we should display the statistics. But if no feedback is given, there should not the statistics should not be displayed. Rather, we should output no feedback given. All right, so let's go to the code implementation. So I'll simply just do this. All right, let's go to the output. Now I've created a folder named step 4 for the exercise 1.9. Yes. So step 4, it contains the code implementation. So we are simply going to be seeding into step 4. And also I'll just close this and then run app.jsx from step 4. Let's npm run this, npm run dev. All right, so we can see that our code works fine. Now let's implement the code for exercise 1.9. We are expected to have no feedback given as the output if no feedback has been given. To handle that, we are supposed to come to the statistics component and use a conditional statement if. So we say if, then the condition is if good, which is a feedback, is not given, or if neutral is not given, or if bad is not given, we return some other thing. So we say return inside a p tag. You can use any tag you want to use. So I am going to be using a p tag. I'll say no feedback given. Mm, Okay, so it's saying good, neutral, and bad is not defined. Okay, so I think we are supposed to use props. Props dot good, props dot neutral, and then props dot bad. Let's save this and let's run. Let's refresh the browser. So we have no feedback given because a feedback has not been given. The moment at least one feedback is given, this changes from no feedback to the statistics we have. So let's select bad, neutral, good. Okay, so we can see that we have bad, neutral, and good. When everything has been clicked, we have the statistics showing. Let's refresh this browser again and let's repeat it. Good has been clicked, neutral has been clicked, bad has been clicked. So everything here comes up, right? So that is what we have here. So here we can also try to refactorize this in a way that we remove this, the exclamation, we use just one of the not operator for everything. So here we wrap this whole part with the round brackets and we remove this exclamation mark here. Also, we remove this exclamation mark here, meaning that this exclamation mark covers for every other thing we have. Let's save this Let's refresh the browser. Let's click good. So here we have good, which shows 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 6. Neutral, we have 2, and then bad, we have 1. So as we can see, everything works fine, just as expected, right? I believe this is what we're asked to do. Let's go back to the instruction. It says change your application to display statistics only once feedback has been gathered. So we can see that that's exactly what we did. Let's take it again. Let's refresh the browser. Let's click on bad. See, the statistics is showing neutral, 2 for neutral, then 6 for good. So our code runs very fine. All right, so with this we've been able to solve exercise 1.9, and see you in the next video. Keep coding. Bye.